Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go over an Evinrude 9.9 horsepower engine. I'm going to start it up for the first time this season, make any adjustments that we need to the carb, make sure it's running good before I hit the water. So let's get started. We want to prime your fuel line. I have my gas tank in the front of the boat. So it's going to take a bit to get it to the back, but we're going to start priming. Okay, next we want to connect our earmuffs to our motor. This is very important. You do not want to run a boat motor without water running to it, as you can wreck a lot of the internal parts. And then we're going to turn on the water. All right, now that we have gas at our engine, we're going to put the shifter. I like to put it a little higher than slow. We're going to pull the choke and we're going to give it some pulls. All right, so we got it running, and you always want to make sure you have a stream of water coming out of your engine when you're running it, or else you will wreck your engine. On this side of your engine, this is your low speed adjustment. So you want to go all the way to slow, but make sure the engine is still running. So I dropped it down there. Still seems to be doing okay. Let me go a little bit less. Spin that out a bit more. You want to go until it's just barely running. Kind of like that. All right, so our next step is just trying to get it to run. This is your low idle mixture. Just want to get this to run as smooth as you can. See, it's kind of not liking that, so we're going to go more this way here. A little more lean. And every so often you can give the throttle a little jump. Reset it. Just drop it back down to slow there. We're just trying to find this happy medium. You want this for your trolling speeds if you're fishing, of course. Once you have it set, you can pop this out and you can realign it to where you'll remember. So if I put it all the way down like that, then I know that's my spot. When I'm fishing, I can adjust it a little bit. So you can see we still have the stream of water coming out of here. We want to make sure that happens. If that doesn't happen, your impeller is most likely worn out and you'll need to fix that. Just going to give it a bit of gas. It's been all winter sitting here. All right, so I popped the top on this engine here. If it's not running good for you, even after doing that, a few things you can check. Right here, this is your fuel pump. It's just 2 screws to take it off, and then this one, and you can put a new one in there. That sometimes can go bad on you. Your carburetor is tucked underneath here. That might need a clean. Or one other thing that it could be is your spark plugs need to be replaced. This specific engine takes Champion QL77J4, and that could be crossed at any auto parts store to other brands like NGK, for example. You can see in here, this is your slow speed stop that we were doing earlier. So I'm going to turn the handle. We're on slow. That's on fast. So it comes and hits there, and this just unscrews and screws in right here as needed. So very simple. Get it as slow as you can while it's still running good, maybe sputtering a little bit, and then you can adjust your fuel mixture. So that is a quick rundown of how to tune your Evinrude 9.9 and 15 horse motors. They're the exact same, just different carburetors on them. So you can do this exactly if you have a Johnson or an Evinrude. They should be the exact same setup. Simple as that. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.